fall season is here and I'm going to do a closet declutter. I'm going to declutter a few things that I did not wear over the summer or no longer want to have in my wardrobe. I'm not sure how much we're gonna get rid of today, but I do know for a fact that I do need to declutter, so let's go ahead and get started. I actually just finished folding my laundry. I have some clothes laid out on the bed that I'm not going to put away. Obviously, I'm going to declutter my clothes, so I'm going to leave those out. I also have my drying rack back here with some clothes, so we're going to go through that too, and also we're going to go into the closet and of course pull that stuff out too. And we're going to go in my dresser and grab all the stuff from there too, so let's go. I also want to go through my hangers because some of them are mixed matched, some are different colors, so I kind of want to figure out a whole system with the velvet hangers, the black ones versus the red ones, and then I have a few just regular plastic ones that I might not need anymore. We'll see. All this stuff is on the bed now. That's my partner's side over there, and then I have clothes in here and in here. The rest, as I've mentioned before, are all just other accessories. So we're gonna grab these as well and throw them on our bed. Whoa. Here's everything from the closet, and then my other clothes that I just folded after washing them. I still have to grab my stuff from the dresser, but because we don't have too much space on the bed, we're just gonna go through all of these right now. Okay, I'm gonna start off with my pants just because there's less of this than my shirts. So this actually I got this summer, probably like a month or two ago. I love them. They're so comfy. These actually replaced this other pair of joggers that are pretty similar. They had a different print, but same material and style, and I just love these ones so much better. So these are my Donald Duck leggings. I thrifted a while ago, and I think I'm just going to keep them for this season and then let them go because they're actually a little big on me. So it's not that big of a deal, but I just want to wear them a little bit more this holiday season. I do have an annual pass, so I'm going to be going to Disney a lot, and I'm going to wear this. These leggings I also love. These ones have pockets on the sides. Super convenient when I have my wallet and my phone. I can just stick them in the pockets. Don't really need to carry a bag, so I love those. These I can still wear, so I'm gonna keep that. Black leggings. I'm actually gonna sort my leggings together because I do have quite a few of those. I mainly work from home, so I'm always in leggings, so I definitely want to keep those. Have these jeans. They're Levi's. I've had them forever, and I think it's just good to have a couple of your favorite jeans, so I'm gonna keep those. I've had these leggings forever, but they're so soft and comfortable still, and they have skulls, so perfect for the fall Halloween season. These ones are also fun, but they're very like spring summer vibe. I'm gonna keep those. Same thing with this one. Very comfy pants. Love wearing it whenever I'm gonna do like a quick errand or something. They're just super easy to throw on, but they have a print and more stylish than just basic leggings. These ones I actually can get rid of. Had these for a while, but they're a little bit tight now, so we're just gonna donate these. I don't have a donate pile yet, so we're gonna start one over here on this side. Over here. That's a keep. My Grogu Star Wars leggings. Good for when I go to Disneyland, so we're keeping. These ones are very small on me, so we're gonna donate those. These ones are these biker shorts that I've had forever, but in the inner thigh there's a huge hole in them. So that's an obvious sign these gotta go. And then these other shorts I love, they're so comfy. So we're gonna keep those. Okay, this is my shorts pile, donate. Okay. Here is one of my favorite long sleeves that I wear in the fall and winter. I've had this forever. It's still great. I love it. This is a keep. This one I got from my Buy Nothing group and I love it. It's super pretty. However, on me, I don't like. I feel like I look bigger than I am. I wore this for my brother's birthday and in the photos I just hated how I looked. So we're gonna donate this back. This one is a donate. I love this graphic tee I bought from a small business owner. It says dogs and coffee, that's all I need, and it has a little pit bull on it. If you guys don't know, I have a pit bull, so I love this. I love coffee and everything, but it's time for me to let it go. There's this stain on it, I don't know if it picks up on camera, that I just cannot seem to get rid of, so we're just gonna pass this along. Here is a white vest that I also picked up from my Buy Nothing group over the summer, and I had intentions of wearing this, but I just never did. So it just hung in my closet all spring and summer and it just never got worn, so donating this. Next is this black dress, that's a keep. This I love, so cute for the summer, keep. Like I said, I have a Disney annual pass, and so I have a few Disney shirts, so we're definitely keeping those. Love this. I got this from TJ Maxx, and I don't know, I just love the colors. It looks like a pretty sky, so we're keeping that too. This one I can let go because of my one in, one out policy. I actually have a new graphic t-shirts that I got, so it's time to let a couple go, and I definitely want to let this one go. As much as I love Marvel Comics and all these characters, I'm ready to let it go. Plain black t-shirt, can't go wrong with that, so I'll keep. This is a super cute top, gonna keep that. Keep. This one I can let go. It's a very basic tank top that I got from Walmart a couple years ago, but I find that it's a little bit bigger on me now. The t-shirt just stretched out really big and I just don't like it anymore, so passing that along. On this plastic hanger that's barely holding on are the summer dresses, and I want to definitely get rid of this. This is actually a romper. I've had this for a while. This was actually my sister's and she was decluttering it, but caught my eye and I've been wearing it for years, but it's finally time for me to let it go. I feel like it's a little too juvenile for me, and I just don't really like wearing rompers. They're kind of a hassle. If you know, you know. Sorry for this lighting if I look super white and pale. It's just super bright right now. This is another dress that I love. It's so cute. The back has this wide opening, very convenient when it's a hot summer day, but it's very old and it's time for me to donate it. Other than that, I think I want to keep these other dresses, so we're gonna put these in the back of the closet and then bring out my fall clothes. Now we're moving on to the dresser. My sports bras, regular bras, socks, underwear, and I definitely want to keep everything, except I do want to go through my bathing suits. This one, it's actually kind of full, so we're going to take these out too. This drawer, I actually have all my fall winter stuff, so here on this left side it's already pretty organized. I have my sweatpants over here and then just oversized t-shirts in this drawer. I always love having extra space. It's just super nice to not have drawers that are super stuffed. I do want to keep all of these, so instead of taking everything out, I'm just gonna leave it in here. Just organize it a little bit better. That's the declutter pile right now. Here are my bathing suits that I'm gonna keep. I have them in this little basket, but I don't think I'm gonna put it back into my dresser. I think I'm gonna put this somewhere else just because I don't want this taking up space. So I have to find a different place for that. Here are some sleep shorts that I'm keeping. These two piles here are all my workout clothes. I do work out a lot, so I actually do have quite a few workout pants and shorts here, but like I said, I work out a lot. I wear these, so it's fine. Here are just some shorts and a skirt that I like to wear over the summer, and then over here are some tank tops and crop tops that I also wear in the summer that I do want to keep. As I'm looking at my drying rack, I do want to keep everything here. Most of this is workout clothes, besides this, which is a very cute top. I wore it only once this summer. I didn't get a chance to wear it out more, but I definitely want to keep that. And then these are workout clothes. These are some joggers that I love. They're actually still wet, so I'm gonna let those dry. And then more workout clothes. So we're gonna keep those too. All of my undergarments are up here. Just not gonna show those, but just so you know. In this one, I try to fold the KonMari style. Not sure if I did it right, but I do have a lot more space in here now after decluttering and putting stuff back. So on this left side, I have my tank tops and shorts. Here are my sleep shorts, and then all of these are my workout leggings and shorts. So I have this big old space over here, which I love. So nice to see it empty like that. And then this third drawer, I have my sweatpants and just oversized graphic tees. I love wearing big shirts when I'm lounging at home, so those are all there. And then I have another huge spot over here on this side. Here I have my jeans and all of my leggings. I definitely won't be buying leggings anytime soon. I have so many, so we have those there. And here are a couple of my summer pants and my leggings down below. And here are my tops and tees that I wear. So I did bring out a couple of sweaters from the back of my closet because even though it's fall, it's still not quite too chilly just yet. So I'm slowly going to bring those out as it gets colder. So right now I just have two here just in case there are some chilly mornings or nights. Here I have some graphic tees, and I'm actually using these red hangers for my Disney graphic t-shirts. That way I know where my Disney shirts are. And then the rest behind those are my other graphic t-shirts that I want hung, not in my dresser. And then the rest are all my tops over here. And then the remaining hangers on this left side. So that is it for this closet declutter and organization. This is the donate pile. Not the biggest pile, but I did get rid of some stuff that I either were over the summer and have had forever that I no longer want to keep, or some newer stuff that just didn't work out, like this jacket and this skirt. But a lot of this has been worn many times, and I am just ready to let them go. Thank you for always hanging out with me in my decluttering videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!